Hey guys, how we doing? Today we have our Canon AE1 with our 35 to 70 Canon lens. It's a 3.5 to, of course, 22 lens. And this is the second AE1 I've used. Not sure if this will be a second video or one video with both cameras and both rolls of film. I'm using the Kodak 200. And the reason I'm using two different cameras, I bought 4 cameras off eBay. They were all supposed to be in excellent condition, which they, for the most part, were. This one has the Canon Sneeze, which is really cool. You'll hear it. I like the Canon Sneeze. This is my favorite one right here, I've decided, because of the Sneeze. So it's very cold out. I'm just out kind of killing time, getting some photos. I think a few might be pretty cool. So we'll see what happens. But again, guys, I appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, anything like that. If you'd like to see more videos like this, I will be featuring. I'm going to keep one of these AE1s for all time. Okay, so anyway, guys, I'm going to take this down to Robert's Photo in Indianapolis along with the first roll of the other AE1, get them developed, and hopefully we've got a video for you. If so, here we go. Okay, this one may be a little iffy, I don't know. Somebody may have a problem with this, but we'll find out. Let's see. Oh yeah, we can still make this happen. Okay. Okay, and should have been waiting. There we go. There we go. Got the Sneeze. Okay, I want to get this from the other side too. That's a very cool shot. Yeah, this would be kind of neat. Focus on the sign, and yeah, that's kind of neat. Whatever. Oh heck yeah! This could be the best shot the whole time. F11. Here we go. F11. Get this whole scene in here. Excellent. Oh, I'm at the end of the roll. Oh, dang it. So I don't know if that came out or not. I kind of like this view here. If I can get this real quick. Yeah, what the hell? I kind of like this shot. I don't know. Weird, but I'll take it. Should ask if I can take a picture. So let's see if we can get here. Okay, cool. We've got this. I always like a light pole. Ooh. Right at F. Should have been higher on. I'm going to have to go to about F11 on that one. So let's retake that. I was about a 5.6. So here we go. I also wanted to get this shot of this gun range, just because it's got a cool sign, the American flag, all that good stuff with it. So let's see if we can get that without getting run over here. Okay, yep, okay, we're gonna zoom in on this one. And let's see, we can get the sign, we can get the flag, and the bill, everything from here. I don't even have to cross the street. The joys of zoom. Okay, F8, F11, there we are, let's go. I like that. And something about this row of telephone poles I like. So if I zoom in, I don't know what this will do, but I just kind of like this. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Oh crap, I was wanting to get that. I'm just gonna whip that shot off. I'm sure that was a bad shot. Okay, so this is pretty cool. And it's actually part of a, what do you call it? Place where you buy pipes and things. Not a dispensary, we don't have those in Indiana. But anyway, in the back there is an adult store, and they said I could take a picture so I don't feel like I'm trespassing or being weird. Okay, so it's looking at 2/50th of a second. You could go down to 1/25th, but we're at 2/50th of a second. And matter of fact, yeah, just give us a little bit of extra stability. I always try to go as high on the shutter speed as I can. Sorry about the wind. And we're about 5.6 to 8, somewhere about there. So here we go. Here's our focus, and I am okay. Let's see, just trying to get some interesting photos here. I'm shooting into the sun driving down this way, so I'm not really sure, but what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to set the camera 2/50th of a second, about F11, and trying to get some, honestly what I'd like to get is a know the guy that used to live there. Get a shot of one of these mobile homes with the TV dish on the top, which would be really cool. But okay, and here we go. Wait for this car to go by. Still at 35 millimeter. I'm going to go back up here just a hair. I don't want to get that Archers in there though. So okay, for 35 millimeter, and to get that light pole, this is our shot right here. There you hear that Canon sneeze. I love that. So let's do that one more time. I love that Canon sneeze. It says we need to be at f4. So I'm going to go ahead and pull down here a little bit, just to under 5.6, and here we go with this shot. Love that Canon sneeze. You know what? Let's just get some close-up shots here. I might burn about half this roll. I love this. Okay, now this is definitely wide open at 35 millimeter. Okay. This place is typically lined up in the summer, but right now, apparently nobody has the taste for ice cream. Okay, still at 35, and it says we need to be at 5.6. Here we go. I like this. Oh yeah, that should come out cool. Let's see, again at 5.6, I want to get this in there. Gripped on, here we go. I don't have a lot of depth of field, so let me grab this shot. Gesundheit. Okay, so I just saw this basketball goal, and I think this is really cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of it so nobody gets mad. But I just want to get this shot here. This is really kind of cool. Okay, it says I should be at f11, which I am at 2/50th of a second. And so it gives us a little depth of field. Here we go. Neat. Okay, that's a cool shot. Okay, we got a really cool thing. I've shot this before, but in digital, so I'm gonna go in here real quick and see if I can snatch this without blowing a tire or something. So let's see what I need to hurry up here. This place has been like this for a long time, and so I'm at 2/50th of a second. We've lost some of our sun here, and let's see if this would be a good one to have a 28. So we're at 35 millimeter. Okay, we're at 35 millimeter. 2/50th of a second says we need to be at f4. So again, using Kodak 200, I've got it set at, love that sneeze, I've got it set at about a 150 or so on the camera, and that way it'll read a little brighter. Not sure if I'm supposed to do that with snow and what have you, but I'm trying not to focus on the snow. That way the meter would be reading what's the dark part there, not the snow. Okay, here we go. This is kind of cool. I don't want a car passing, so here we go. Nice sneeze there. I'm probably going to say that every get the shot I want here. Okay, so let's get a little bit of this. So we get the Jack Daniels sign in there. And then let's go ahead and get a vertical. Again, no reason to go above 2/50th of a second on this. Fine at 2/50th, given that not using, okay, so I want to get this without a bunch of cars. There we go. Got that. And I want to get one more here. Here we go. Get the tree in there, try to frame this properly. Okay, we got that, I think. Sun's going in, so it's getting pretty chilly with the wind picking up. There we go. Now we'll get to the front of the car. It's telling me I should be about f8. Okay, so here we go. There's our sneeze, and I think we're good to go. Should I do a vertical? Yes, I should. You know what? How many shots do I have left? Oh, that's only 14. We're only halfway through the roll. Let's go ahead and take one more here. Because I was thinking about trying to get this roll downtown today. You know, do what kids do. It says I need to be I should have closed the damn door. Fuck, I'm sorry. Okay, forgot to close the door on my car there. We got traffic. So it says I need to be at about 5.6. Oh. Oh, wow. I don't know if that'll come out or not, but because I'm only at 2/50th of a second. I just, oh, wow. That was unexpectedly cool. So this says we needed to be about 5.6. And I am, so let's go. Here comes another car. Here we go. Okay. Well, let's probably go ahead and get out of here. You're only a kid once. All right. Okay guys, so there you have it. Kodak 200 gold along with the Canon AE1 35-70 lens. I like the 35. I'd kind of rather have a 28, which I do have a 28 prime lens. It's an off-brand. I can't even remember the name, but the next video will probably feature that. And although I do like the versatility of a zoom, 35 is just a little tight for me. I do like the 28, but as you can see in the video, I think we got some good shots. So I appreciate it, guys, and we'll have more of these coming out. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Trying to get the film rolling. Let me know if you like it. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.